this video I'm going to show you how to install the Nest doorbell, and this is my final setup. Just to quickly show you guys, this is the transformer, that is the main board, and this is the Byron Chime, which usually people are having trouble to connect to the Nest doorbell, and I've successfully done it and it works perfectly fine. So without any delay, let's get into it. I'm going to show you how to lay out the wiring, and it'll be very simple. So this is the final setup. It looks quite neat and seems that there's no issue, and it's been working for the past 1 year now. So this is the Byron 776, and right now the connections might be looking quite strange, and so this is the 220 which is coming in, but you don't have to do anything with this. I have connected it because it was just spare, so I just connected it into it, but in your case you can just leave these connections out, and then the transformer would create be switched on, because we are basically just using the Chime. So that's the Chime, and that's the wires coming from the transformer. So instead of using this transformer, we are using the transformer which is over here, and we're getting 220. So all you have to do is get a 220 cable running to the transformer, and from the transformer you will run a cable. This is the transformer, that's the housing, forget about what that is. So the 220 coming from the mains is being connected to this part of the transformer. It's pretty self-explanatory, it's written over here. And from here you'll get the 18 volt out, and that 18 volt out would, again, it's marked over here, so you need to put it into the connectors, and from here you will run the cable which will literally go into the Chime. The cable coming from the transformer, one end has to be connected to the Chime connector, and the other end into lower right connector of the Chime. And then what you need to do is you need to short circuit the lower right with the upper right, and the upper right will be connected to the bell. So that's going, one part is going to the bell, and now the one part is going to the Chime connector, as you can see over here. So that's done. And then coming over here, you have one part of the Chime connector is going over here, lower left, and the other part of the Chime connector is going to the lower right. So technically the Chime connector, that's the Chime connector, will be connected to the left side, one on the upper side, one on the lower side, and this connector over here, the second connector, that's where you will connect the cable coming from the Nest doorbell, as you can see over here. That's the one, and then you're all good. Mainly, when you buy the 776 bell, just make sure to disconnect these two wires from the transformer to the Chime. So this is where you want to open it, and you want to remove these cables. Just make sure that there's this wire coming in the Chime connector. Do not disconnect that. So this wire, which will be coming from the bottom, just remove that, but don't remove that one. And yeah, and this one's again coming from the bottom, which needs to be taken off from the lower right. And that's pretty much it, and you should be good to go. After you've done it, what you need to do is just properly close it as it was. You saw the final setup, and it should be fine, and your doorbell should be working perfectly fine. So guys, if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section below and I'll reply back to you, and I hope it works for you. Bye for now, guys.